Hey everyone, in this session I am going to demonstrate how we can embed Power Apps to Microsoft Teams. Sometimes there are situations where we need to integrate our Power Apps to Microsoft Teams. So how can we achieve that requirement? So let me explain you that thing step by step. So this is my Power Apps. This is the independent Canvas app, and now I want to embed these Power Apps to Microsoft Teams. For that, what you need to do here is you just need to select your Power Apps, click on the ellipsis, and you will be having an option add to teams. Just click on that. That will open this type of pop-up for you. Now from here you just need to download the app. So it is packaging the app, and you can see that the app has been downloaded successfully over here. Now what you need to do here is now you just need to open your Microsoft Teams, and now I want to integrate my Power App over here. So how can I do that? For that, what you need to do here is you just need to go to the apps option. Here you have an option upload a custom app. Just click on that. Here you have an option upload for me or Teams. Just select on that. If you want to deploy that tenant wise, you just need to select this one. Let me select this one. Now you just need to upload the downloaded package, that is production v1. Open this thing. Now here you have an option add to a team. Once you click on add to a team, it will ask for in which team you want to deploy this. So just go here and select your team. So I want to deploy that to Power Apps team. So this is my Power Apps team, and now click on setup a tab. This will take some time, and now here it is. The production v1 app has been added over here. Now post this message for this tab, and here it is. Your Power App has been embedded to Microsoft Teams like this, right? Now let me explain you one more scenario here. If you go to app, and now from upload a custom app you will upload for entire tenant, what would be happen? I'm selecting this one. The app has been added over here. Now when you click on this, what happen here is it will ask add to a team, and from here you can add that to any team. So that would be available as an app over here, so user can install easily from those options. Hope this is clear for you now. If you have any question related to this topic, you can add your question in the comment section. If you are for the first time to my channel, make sure you hit subscribe and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my WhatsApp number, just click on this link. It will be redirecting you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Have a great day. Goodbye.